पेशेंट के साथ बड़बड़ाना, पेशेंट के साथ बड़बड़ाना। इट वाज योर हैबिट, ये आपकी हैबिट है। व्हेन ही फॉरगॉट हिमसेल्फ एन ऑपरेशन, और जब वो अपने आप को ऑपरेशन में फॉरगॉट हिमसेल्फ इन ऑपरेशन मींस व्हेन ही इज बिजी विद द ऑपरेशन, ही फॉरगॉट एवरीथिंग, ही स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू द पेशेंट, वो पेशेंट से बात करने लग जाता है। माय फ्रेंड्स, ही ऑलवेज कॉल्ड हिज पेशेंट्स, वो हमेशा अपने पेशेंट को बोलता, माय फ्रेंड आई एम हियर टू सेव, आई विल ट्राई टू सेव यू। एंड सो नाउ ही डिड, और ऐसा ही उसने किया। एंड द फॉरगेटिंग दैट ही वाज इन एनिमी, and everything is forgot that he was his enemy, he was the enemy, he was from the American army, because the war was going on between Japan and America, and certainly he was a POW, prisoner of war, and he should be treated like enemy, enemy की तरह treat करना चाहिए। But actually here he has shown the true human quality or true doctor's quality what are required, because doctors are considered equal to God, and he has actually, he came up to the expectation of the people or the views of the people, जो लोगों के views हैं, what they are thinking about the doctor is, he can be called a true doctor actually in that sense. My friend, he always called his patient so, and now he did, forgetting that this was the enemy, and everything he forgot that he was enemy and all. Okay, then quickly with the cleanest and the most precise of incision, and then quickly तब जल्दी से with the cleanest, बिल्कुल साफ सुथरे तरीके से, and most precise means accurate, more precise, accurate of the incision, incision means actually putting something inside the wound, उस घाव में कोई चीज निकालना। The bullet was out and he took out the bullet, उसने bullet को बिल्कुल accurately, means he did not go here and there in search of the bullet, very accurately he picked up the bullet with the medical equipment and removed it. The man quailed, the man he shook, एक बार हिल गया था, and but still unconscious, he was unconscious, nevertheless he muttered, लेकिन उसने कहा a few English words, उसने कुछ English word बोले, that man who was unconscious, or you can say that soldier, he told guts, he muttered choking, मतलब he was trying to speak something, but because of choking he was unable to speak something, कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहा था। They got my guts, उन्होंने मेरी जान निकाल दी। Guts 10, Sudhao, Hannah cried sharply, Hannah ने चिल्लाकर कहा Sudhao, hush, Sudhao said, और Sudhao ने बड़ी तीखी आवाज में कहा, Sudhao said, उसने कहा, the man sank again into the silence so profound, और ये व्यक्ति दोबारा again he became unconscious, because there was a great pain, I think, while removing the bullet, जब बुलेट निकाल रही थी at that time there was a great pain, that's why he felt that pain, and he started muttering something, and he told that they have taken out my guts, मेरी पूरी strength निकाल दी, and the man sunk again into silence, फिर वो चुप हो गया, so profound and so deep, profound, sufficient, ज़्यादा unconscious condition, that Sudhao took up his wrist, Sudhao ने अपनी wrist उठाई, hating the touch of it, उसको hate कर रहा था still, but as a doctor he was performing his duty beautifully, with full dedication he was done, with fullest knowledge और full dedication he was performing his duty as a doctor, डॉक्टर की तरह वो अपनी ड्यूटी परफॉर्म कर रहा था। Yes, there was still a pulse, so faint, बोलता अभी भी पल्स है but it is very faint, थोड़ा धीमी है, so feeble, very small, and but enough, लेकिन ये काफी है, I think he is out of danger, and if he wanted the man to alive, to give hope, and if he wanted the man to live, अगर वो चाहता है man to live, give hope, to give hope देने के लिए, that is sufficient. It means after the operation what was the condition, physical condition, or how the systems were working, it was working very poorly, but it was out of dangers में नहीं, and but certainly I don't want this man to live, he thought, लेकिन one side again he thought that I don't want this man to live, मैं नहीं चाहता ये व्यक्ति जीवित रहे। No more anesthetics, he told Hannah को उसने कहा no more anesthetics, अब उसको और anesthetics मत दो, and he turned as swiftly as though he had never paused, he turned as swiftly, वो तेजी से, इतना तेजी से, swiftly turn, मुड़ा, as though, जैसे कि he had never paused, जैसे वो कभी रुका नहीं था, and from his medicine he chose a small vial. उसने एक छोटी सी मेडिसिन की वायल बोतल निकाली, and from it filled a hypodermic और एक syringe उसने भर ली and thrust it into the patient left arm, और patient के left arm में thrust कर दी. thrust का मतलब putting with injecting, inject कर दिया, and then putting him down the needle, और needle को down रखते हुए he took the man wrist again. उसने दोबारा फिर उसकी try to feel the pulse, उसकी pulse पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहा था, महसूस करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. The pulse under his fingers fluttered once or twice and then grew stronger. एक दो बार this pulse it fluttered, थोड़ी सी हुई, fluttered फड़फड़ाना, something movement, it made some movement, and then it twice and then grew stronger, और उससे फिर वो और strong होती गई. Means the movement or the beating was now constantly and stronger than, उससे और stronger. This man will live in spite of all, he said to Hannah and sighed. और हैना को उसने गहरी सांस लेते हुए कहा, this man will survive at all. Means he did not try to save him as a human being, but as a doctor he performed the operation accurately, and he performed the operation in a nice way, but he did not want that he should survive, because as a citizen of the Japanese he was the enemy, वो enemy था, and he did not want this his enemy should alive, but as a doctor he had saved the life of a patient, लेकिन उसने patient की उसकी. Here we can find out the qualities of this strength, that Dr. Sadao and will help the man to recover, gain strength. Sadao, now after the operation what they will do, after the operation what they will do, how they will help him. And the young man walked, वो उठा, so weak, he was feeling very weak, वो काफी weak था. His blue eyes so terrified, उसकी जो blue eyes थी they were full of fear, भरी हुई थी. When he perceived where he was, when he tried to know, perceived, observed, देखा where he was. Hannah felt compelled to apologize. Hannah felt compelled, Hannah ने उसको compel हो गई थी to apologize, माफी मांगने की. She herself served him, वो अपने, because she was also not willing that he should survive, वो जीवित रहे. And she herself served him, उसने भी उसको सर्व किया. And for none of the servant would enter the room, उसमें कोई भी सर्वेंट उसके रूम में एंटर नहीं करता था. When she came into the first time, जब वो पहली बार आई, she saw him summon his small strength. She saw him summon means collecting his strength, because he was lying, he was very weak. And when she entered, immediately means he was very aware that someone has entered. He did not know up to this time where he was and who are those people who are trying to save him, कौन लोग उनको बचा रहे थे. But when Hannah came with some soup and all, some eatables and all, summon its small strength, उसने अपने strength को collect किया, to be prepared for some fearful things, because he was again having the fear that I am still in Japan and certainly they are going to torture me अभी मुझे, and he was ready to face that one. वो उसको ready था face करने के लिए. And something fearful, जो बहुत ही डरावनी थी, जो चीजें बहुत ही डरावनी थी. Yes. Now, don't be afraid, she begged him softly. Now Hannah told him very softly, बहुत ही kindly, she told him, don't be afraid, आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. And how come you speak English? He gasped, बोलते आप इंग्लिश कैसे बोलते हो? And he gasped means just her mouth remained open when he started speaking. And how you speak English? He gasped, मतलब उसका मुंह खुला ही रह गया when Hannah started speaking in English. And I was a long time in America, she replied. उसने कहा I was there in America, अमेरिका में मैं रही. And she saw that he wanted to reply, and she saw that, उसने देखा, he wanted to reply to that, वो उसका reply देना चाहता था, but he could not, लेकिन वो उसका he was unable to. And so he knelt, और इसलिए उसने so she knelt, वो उसकी तरफ मतलब झुककर knelt, झुकने दो, and feed him gently from the porcelain spoon, और अपने spoon से she started feeding him, मतलब coming to that height and also that she can feed. And he ate unwillingly, और उसने unwillingly, he was not willing to eat something but he ate on it, but still he ate, फिर भी उसने कुछ खा लिया, फिर भी उसने कुछ खा लिया. Now you will soon be strong, she said, और उसने कहा आप जल्दी से strong हो जाओगे. She said, you will be very soon strong. Not liking him and yet moved to comfort him, not liking him. But because both of them, they did not like him, वो उसको like नहीं करते थे, but still comfort him, उसको लेकिन वो comfort देना था. They want to make him comfortable, उसको comfortable करना चाहते थे. And he told no answer, he did no answer, उसका उसने कोई भी जवाब नहीं दिया. He did no answer. Okay. Yes, up to here only, students. Anything you want to ask out of this one? Yes. If you want to ask anything up to here, operation was over. He was out of danger. They have performed the operation, and I think whatever we have studied, we came to know about the quality of a doctor. Means how efficient, how skillful the doctor was. Okay, and they're feeling all at different levels. Sometimes they start hating and they don't want that, they did not want that he should alive, but still they try to serve him, usko serve karne ke, and all sort of comfort they were now trying to give him as a human being. Means it is all beyond the limitations of any country. As a country may we feel that this is the only our boundary, these are the only our people. I think they have gone beyond that. ये उससे भी आगे बढ़ चुके. They are the true human being rather we consider up to this time. What we have come to know that they are the genius and true human beings. ये बहुत ही अच्छे human beings. Yes, students, you can unmute them for some time, sir. Pramod sir, unmute them. If they want to ask anything, let me see how many students are having books. Okay, come on, let me see now. Alka, I think up to here. Okay, you can, Alka, you switch on your camera. Let me see. Alka, switch on your camera. Where is Alka? Switch on your camera. Let me see your book.
Yep.
Come
Sir,
on, switch on your. Yes. Okay, let's see. Yes. Show me your book. Okay, good.
Here is
Anything you want to ask, or have you understood the chapter up to where we have studied? Any problem with the chapter, Alka?
no, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. Sir, Pramod sir.